The deflection on the starboard side seems consistent with the previous report.
Watch the swing radius on the left, bring it back 5 feet.
Clear on the track, lower the boom slowly now.
All right, keep digging. Move that sand faster. Let's clear the fuselage now.
Ground crew confirms green. Beginning movement.
Roger. Control. Powering up. Watch the left side. Steady now. Clear the ridge. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. We have scraping on the fuselage. Stop. Hold it. It's finally here. Great job, everyone. We did it.
Keep it coming very slow.
Check the right side, clear the scaffolding.
Steady now. And stop. Confirmed.
Watch the drop zone. Moving the door now. Confirmed clear on this side. Keep it steady. Keep it steady on the aft section.
We are clear on the center cut. Move the crane up.
Cut the red bundle first.
Okay, pulling it now.
We need to reinforce the fuselage frame 7 here.
The stress analysis shows the current alloy won't hold.
Check the shear web measurements again before we finalize.
We're still reading 3 millimeters out on station 42.
Confirmed. Pressure is holding steady. Apply another 500 psi.
A little to the left.
Hold it right there.
Okay, clear. Setting the first Cleco.
A little to the left. Okay, holding steady. Looks aligned. Run the test. Clearances are verified on stage 7.
Acknowledged. Applying final torque sequence now.
All right, easy now. Just a few more inches to go.
Clear on the left side, looking good for alignment.
Torquing sequence initiated.
Activating reversers, clear, and stout.
Looks good from here. We are within tolerance.
Okay, easy now, bring it up slowly.
Clearance confirmed. Installing the main bolts now.
Torque settings achieved, moving to electrical.
Aileron cycle complete, pressure steady, initiating gear retraction now.
Roger that. Gear transitioning, doors showing closed and locked.
Radio 1 check, autopilot command A engaged. Flight controls checked, full and free.
Distillates. Clear coat being prepared with mixing, spray application with glossy finish being created, even coverage ensuring protection, drying with environmental...
Wing surfaces clear, static wicks checked.
Hydraulic levels nominal.
Verification complete, all systems go.
Tow bar disconnected, heading clear. Roger that. Area clear, ready for start.
IRS mode selectors align. VORs set.
Set and cross-checked.
N1 and N2 speeds confirmed, all indications are normal.
Temperatures and pressures checked, Captain. Everything in the green.
Systems performing perfectly.
Tower, Clipper 747 Heavy, cleared for taxi.
Brakes released, Captain.
Thank you, advancing throttles. Tower, this is Follow 1. We are proceeding with the taxi test, all systems nominal. Over.
V1, rotate.
rotate. Flight achieved. Massive success.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Clipper 744 Heavy, radar contact, climb and maintain flight level 200.
Roger, climbing to 200, 744 Heavy.
All right, steady on course. Maintain relative position for the shot.
Roger, holding steady at flight level 300.
I must say, the crew did an incredible job restoring her. She handles beautifully.
They really did. It's a pleasure to fly.
Oakland Center, Clipper 740 Heavy, flight level 3 Faro.
Autopilot disengaged. Initiating gentle bank. Control response is smooth and predictable. Excellent handling confirmed. Clipper 1, you are cleared visual, approach runway 28 right.
Cleared visual 28 right. Flaps 20 before landing checklist.
Roger that, flaps are set.
Landing gear down.
Confirmed, 3 green.
Flaps 25.
Set. Landing checklist complete.
Stabilized, continued.
Airspeed checks. Glide slope centered.
Approaching minimum. Clipper 1 Heavy, turn right on the next available taxiway, contact ground 121.9er.
Clipper 1, welcome home. Incredible flight. We did it. Yeah!